Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix your internet connection on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and type your device manager. Then click here to open it. Now on this window, we need to simply expand network adapters. So for that, we need to click here and then right click here and select update driver. Now select this option. Now the drivers are already installed. For that we need to close this one and close all windows. So in the next step, go to search bar and type services, then click here to open it. This will open services window. Now the search for Wi-Fi direct services connection manager service, then right click on it, select properties, then set startup type as automatic, then select start. Once done, click on apply and then OK, and then search for Windows updates, right click on it, select properties, set startup type as automatic, then click on start and then save the changes. Once done, close this window and then in the next step, go to search bar and type here control panel, then click here to open it, select network and internet, then select internet options. Now go to connections tab and then select LAN settings. Simply from the proxy server uncheck this option, then click on OK, save all changes, and there we go. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.